When it comes to commercial roofing in South Florida, the elements don't take a day off. Relentless heat, torrential rains, high humidity, and hurricane-force winds put every roof to the test, year after year. For metal roofs especially, the damage can be gradual but devastating. Corrosion sets in, panels begin to fail, water finds its way inside, and before long, what was once a solid, reliable roof becomes a serious liability. That's exactly the situation one South Florida commercial property owner faced, and the transformation that followed is a testament to what a comprehensive roof restoration can achieve. The process began with a thorough inspection of the entire metal roof system. Our team identified multiple damaged panels that had deteriorated beyond simple repair. Years of exposure to South Florida's salt air and intense UV radiation had caused significant corrosion, weakening the structural integrity of the roof. These compromised panels were carefully removed and replaced with new metal panels, restoring the roof's strength and weatherproofing. With the panels and fasteners addressed, our crew moved on to the critical sealing phase. All roof joints, seams, and transitions were treated with butter flashing, a flexible, heavy-bodied sealant that conforms to the contours of the roof and creates a durable, waterproof barrier. Every vent, pipe penetration, and roof edge was sealed with the same care and precision. In South Florida's climate, it's these details that make all the difference between a roof that holds up and one that fails. Once the roof was fully repaired and sealed, the final and most transformative step began: the application of roof tender coating. This high-performance elastomeric roof coating was applied across the entire roof surface, creating a seamless, reflective membrane that bonds directly to the metal substrate. Roof tender is specifically engineered to withstand the harshest elements South Florida can deliver: extreme UV exposure, thermal expansion and contraction, heavy rainfall, and high winds. The results speak for themselves. What was once a corroded, leaking commercial roof is now a fully restored, well-protected asset. The roof tender coating reflects solar heat, reducing cooling costs for the building below. The sealed joints and repaired fasteners ensure no water infiltration, and the replaced panels have returned structural integrity to a roof that was rapidly declining. If your commercial property has a metal roof showing signs of corrosion, leaks, or wear, don't wait until minor issues become major expenses. Contact us today to schedule your free roof inspection and find out how we can protect your investment.